Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today's video is about how to find a job in Canada. Each year, hundreds and thousands of individuals and families migrate to Canada with a dream of having a good quality life through a good stable job or a business, and a lot of people are struggling to get those jobs. This video is for people who are either Canadian citizens, permanent residents, work permit holders, or looking to move to Canada in the near future. My name is Faisal Hussain and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, a licensed realtor and a business broker, and a commissioner for taking oaths in the province of Ontario. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family members. I'll discuss 12 very important tips to find a job in Canada, so please watch the video till the very end. The first and foremost important factor when applying for a job is your resume. A well-crafted resume makes a significant difference on whether or not you will get an interview. Make sure your resume follows Canadian standards, including clear objectives, concise format, and relevant skills. Please do not use the same standard resume for all the jobs you will be applying for. Tailor your resume as per the advertised job description, as most big companies and employers in Canada use ATS, which stands for Applicant Tracking System, to screen resumes. Make sure your resume is screened by a professional or a recruiter. We also offer resume writing and screening services. The second tip in finding a job in Canada is to understand the Canadian job market. Do your job research and understand Canadian job market, including trends, industry demand, and skills the employers are looking for. Update your qualification, do some courses, engage in some volunteer work in Canada, and take some additional certifications in your occupation. Point number third is the continuation of point number one, that your resume must be ATS friendly as per the job description, as most employers and recruiters use applicant tracking system to shortlist the resumes. Use industry specific keywords and action verbs that aligns with the job description so that your resume will be recognized by the ATS. This will help your resume to pass through the automated filters. I have seen lots of applicants that they have applied in so many places, but they never got a job, they never got a reply back, and they were never contacted for an interview just because of one basic simple mistake, that their resume was not ATS friendly. So guys, make sure that your resume is ATS friendly so that you can be picked up for an interview. Tip number 4 are some of the platforms or the resources to search and apply for jobs in Canada. Includes job banks, LinkedIn Jobs, Indeed Canada, Monster Canada, Glassdoor, Simply Hired, Aluta, local job boards such as Kijiji and Craigslist, companies' career pages, government websites, Workopolis, Talent Egg, Career Builder Canada, BC Jobs, Alberta Job Center, and Quebec Job Force, just to name a few. Point number 5 are some of my own job platforms on LinkedIn and Facebook. The link of these groups is in the description. You guys are more than welcome to join. You can see recent job openings and you can apply for job openings as per your qualification. In addition, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be bringing a lot of job openings related to IT, healthcare, construction, skilled trades, manufacturing, industrial, and hospitality. Point number 6 is that if you can, please go ahead and learn French language. Learning French language in Canada is very important. It is definitely going to help you to secure a job in Canada. Point number 7 is that you can take services from a professional company for your job search, including professional resume writing, interview preparation, career coaching, resume distribution as per your occupation. That is definitely going to help you in a longer run. Point number 8 is that you can also get in touch with recruitment agencies. They can definitely help you to secure jobs as per your occupation. Some of the good recruitment agencies in Canada include Randstad, Robert Half, Adecco Canada, Manpower Canada, Kelly Services, Hayes Canada, Michael Page, The Judge Group, David Alpin, Bentrell, Tal Group, Quantum Recruitment, Procom, Persona Canada, Tech Systems, Summit Search Group, SI Systems, Maxsys, and Express Employment. So guys, you can contact with any of those companies as per your occupation, and these companies definitely help a lot of people securing jobs in Canada. Point number 9 is about networking. Networking plays a very important role in your job search, so you guys should try to network on LinkedIn as well as other platforms. You guys should also participate in hiring events and job fairs. On my YouTube channel as well as other platforms, I will be listing and advertising lots of job opportunities as well as hiring events and job fairs throughout Canada. And point number 2 is about the jobs. Normally, if you apply for a job, it gives you an option whether the job role is on site, it's hybrid, or it's remote. Nowadays, especially after COVID, a lot of people prefer to have remote jobs. So also there is a lot of job opportunities in remote areas in Canada. So if you guys will target like on-site jobs, or you will apply jobs in remote areas, there will be less competition there, and chances of you getting a job there will increase. So please try to use some of these techniques so you guys can land a job in Canada. Point number 11 is that employment / jobs versus self-employment. There are a lot of people who apply for different jobs, but you guys can look the other way around. For example, if you are in insurance business, real estate, mortgage, financial, construction, skilled trades, IT, healthcare, services, or sales business, you guys can start your own business and start marketing your services to different individuals or businesses throughout Canada. Also, if you think that you're not able to do it, then you can join a company and work with like multiple companies on commission basis. For example, if you are selling their products, then you'll be paid in commission. So I know a lot of people who are making a lots of commission, way more commission than an actual salary. So you guys should keep that option open for you. Last but not the least, if your occupation is not in great demand in Canada, maybe it's about time that you should consider changing your occupation or profession. I have seen lots of students, they have spent a lot of money in colleges and universities doing courses that are not bringing any value to them, and after spending so much time and money and earning that diploma or degree, they are not even qualified to get Canadian immigration or a job. So therefore, a lot of applicants and a lot of professionals and a lot of students are turning from whatever they are doing to IT, healthcare, and skilled trades. They are acquiring the skills that will lead them a path to obtain permanent residence as well as job in Canada. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with a new topic. Bye for now.